effectively and finish the deal with a good, strong defensive rebound.
CSJ with the basketball. Trailing by 9. To the bucket goes Benjamin. A whistle and a foul as Carl Benjamin makes his move to the bucket.
Nice move, caught it, little ball fake, opened up a lane. He got into the paint and works his way to the foul line.
D. Anderson back on the floor as he runs now with his second unit. First shot by Benjamin is good. Needed a bucket, needed something to break the ice a little bit here, the Fighting Saints.
That's absolutely right. Doesn't matter what line it comes from, the one 15 feet away or the one 22 feet away. Oops, in early.
Yeah. Benjamin counts the second one, gets it to go. It's a 15-8 game.
Now you need to stop if you're the Fighting Saints. Move your feet and box out and rebound.
Atencio Martin, cross court for Robbins. And a steal by Benjamin. Had it knocked away from behind. Otway comes up with it. Emery with the foul. The follow, I should say.
Bowlers, actually, yeah.
Yeah, Bowlers, yep.
Almost went for the tap dunk, just a little too far away from the rim to flush it, but got it to go. Good aggressive move to the offensive glass by Michael.
Here's a ball tipped. I think Bowlers got the tip on that, even though it came up in Otway's hands.
Back-to-back steals by the Fighting Saints defense, and Otway goes hard to the glass. He works his way to the line, so changing momentum in a hurry here. Saints exerting themselves defensively, back-to-back steals at that end, and able to come down and convert into points.
Otway trying to cut into the 15-10 deficit. He gets the roll on the first one as Ramel Anderson's back in for the Seawolves. A lot of guys back in for the Seawolves.
Let's see here.
Davis Nicholson also back in as DJ Johnson. And Jordan DeRosby in for the first time. Otway gets them both.
So Otway and Bowlers come off the bench and provide immediate offense. Bowlers on an athletic putback the prior trip. And a third consecutive steal by the Saints. And that's what we talked about. Sometimes their defense feeds your offense, and it's doing so right now for CSJ.
Here's the jumper. D. Anderson couldn't get it to go, and a whistle underneath, or no, just out of bounds up over the top.
Off the wires there.
Back in is Tong Akat for the Seawolves.
Good look for D that time. Nolan Emery on the backside, little dribble penetration. Found D for the 3-ball look. Seawolves bring it the other way. Holding a 3-point lead, 15-12 with 13-10 left in the first half.
Both of these teams substituting frequently. Here's a jumper from one of the new players in the game, and it's a 3-pointer from Jordan DeRosby.
Jordan DeRosby bottoms it from 18.
A much-needed basket, too, for Southern Maine. And here's a hand check as Nolan Emery makes his way to the bucket.
Really like Nolan's game. We both do, I know. Junior out of Queens. Could put it on the floor and get to the rim. And root that time, picked up the hand check foul. There you go.
Comes in to Bowlers. Now Anderson tried to get it back to Bowlers, tipped away by Akat.
Should repost with Michael. No, now he pops out to the wing. Catches it on top, yeah.
Awful lot of time on the shot clock, but nobody's noticed it for the time that they had the basketball. Bowlers able to tip it over, and Josh Otway the bucket.
Good heads up. Michael knew he could get a hand on it, couldn't finish it himself, and now picks up a cheap forearm foul. Just off the ball with a forearm into a Seawolf cutter. Well, Bowlers picks up the foul there, but back to the offensive end. A nice heads-up move by Bowlers, tapping it over to Otway for the score. And again, the big man in this second group doing the damage offensively, Bowlers and Otway.
Alexander Hartford back in the game for Southern Maine. DeRosby puts it in play, comes way out top for DJ Johnson, and then Nicholson. Now DeRosby, Nicholson, Cross court, DeRosby. He's come in and heat up in a hurry. A couple of threes for DeRosby.
Same spot, same result for DeRosby off that left wing. He's knocked back 2 of them.
Down low,
nice
Bowlers.
entry.
Yes.
Those two working well together, Otway and Bowlers. Loose ball, scramble for it on the deck.
Possession arrow looks like it's going to favor Southern Maine.
I think